Hello everyone, this is Pedro Madero and I'm from Mexico. Hola, mucho gusto a todos. I'm a mechanical design engineer and I have more than 5 years of experience working in the aerospace industry. In all this time that I've been working as a design engineer, I've been using CATIA V5. Recently, I've started working with the 3D Experience platform. In all this time as a design engineer, I've been working with different components of an airplane. Also, I've been working with different tools from CATIA. In particular, what I really like about CATIA and the 3ds platform is the compatibility they have with many other applications. CATIA also offers an incredible versatility, since I can work with many types of materials and components. I have worked with components that are manufactured with machining, electrical components, and composites materials. Of course, as a design and engineer, I have to be constantly learning, which is why the 3ds platform is very useful. Here I can find very useful information related to CATIA as well as engineering, making connections with engineers from all over the world and starting conversations with them is amazing. I'm very grateful with CATIA and Dassault Systems for making me part of the program CATIA Champion. This has allowed me to be part of a community of engineers all around the world where I can express all my ideas and receive feedback from experts. Well, muchas gracias, es increíble, un saludo desde México, and now it's time to get back to work.